Hi friends, my name is Harshada Kishorwale. I have completed BE and TC in Keystone School of Engineering through Pune University in 2021. Today's date it is in 31 December 2021. Today's Viva topic is a string buffer and the string builder. First of all, string. String is the basic concepts of a Java programming language. And strings is the one of an object say, and the basically characters of an strings is the same characters of an array is the same work of an Java upon a string say. So it is upon a string say. The Java upon a strings upon a various upon a method say, and every method performs of the upon a different upon a operation say. For example of an length method say, then concat method से, uppercase method से, lowercase method से, replacement open method से, then split method से, and then it is in a remove upon a duplicate method से, duplicates open a method से. Every open a methods performs of the open a different operations से. What is the definitions of an open string say? Strings is the basically of an object say, but Java upon open strings is the characters upon open sequence is a represents of the characters of a sequence. So it is called as the open Java upon open strings. The Java upon open strings it is in an created upon open object in two ways. First one it is in an literal say, and the second one it is in an new keyword say. The first one it is in an literal say. The Java upon open strings is the literals of an it is created upon a double upon a quotes. And this upon a double upon a quotes it is in an created upon a strings upon it is in an a pool. And so it is in an exist of that upon a strings. Second one it is in an a new upon a strings. The Java upon open strings, the Java virtual machines which is the creates upon a new upon strings. And this open a new of the open strings it is created of the open strings open strings of the open heap memory of the open allocations. So it is the open a new of the open strings. The java.lag.open strings the file is the one open a file say, and this file is the implements of a three open implementation say. First one it is in a character sequence say, then it is in a serial synchronization say, and the third one it is in a comparable say. After that discuss about characters upon a sequence. The characters upon a sequence means upon it is the represents upon a characters of that sequence. So it is called as upon a characters upon a sequence. The characters upon a sequence three classes. First one it is in an strings. Second one it is in an strings upon a buffer, and the third one it is in an string builder. The Java class upon strings buffers and the strings of Java upon three classes. First one it is in an strings, second one it is in an strings buffer, and the third one it is in an strings upon a builder. The strings is a immutable upon a class, but string buffer is a mutable upon a class, mutable upon a class, and the string builder is also upon a mutable upon a class. The string upon a builder is the introduced upon a Java upon a 1.5. There are many different upon strings upon a buffer and the strings upon a builder. Strings upon a buffer and the strings upon a builder. Strings upon a buffer is a synchronization and the thread is a safe way means of two methods call of at a simultaneously. But string builders is a non-synchronization not open a thread open a safe way, and cannot open a call open a simultaneous at a two time at a cannot call open a cannot call open a two methods at a simultaneously. The strings open a buffers is the open a less open efficiency of a memory, and the strings open a builders is the more open a memory open efficiency. The strings open a builders is the strings open a builders is the introduce open a Java open a 1 open a 0, and the Java strings open a buffer strings open a builders is the builders is the introduce open a 1 open a 5 Java open a 1 of the open a 5. After that, what is the uses of the strings buffer and the strings opener builders is the uses of an opener to modify of the opener characters of an strings, and this is the uses of an strings buffer and the strings opener builders. The strings opener buffers is the opener mutable opener class, but strings is a immutable opener class. And the strings opener buffers is the fast and the less opener memory open efficiency of the opener memory, but strings is the slow and the less opener memory opener management of that opener strings. The strings opener buffers opener cannot override opener objects of that class, and the strings opener strings is the opener can override opener objects of that opener class, or class opener objects. So it is the opener strings buffer and the strings opener builders. That's all. Thank you.